Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Roblox on your computer and you keep getting this error, please check your internet connection with the error code 277, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Roblox easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here device manager, and here you're going to go onto your network adapters. You're going to click onto your network adapters. For me it is this one, Realtek PCIe GBE family controller. Right click on it, go into properties, go into advanced here, and here you need to find your speed and duplex. Here it is. Now you need to set this value to 10 Mbps half duplex or 10 Mbps full duplex. So first you can check 10 Mbps full duplex, click OK, and then close this menu up. Now you can go ahead and play Roblox. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.